Can Stoicism actually improve your relationships? It might sound surprising, but the ancient philosophy of Stoicism offers powerful insights that could transform how we connect with others. So, if you're looking to deepen your relationships and add some ancient wisdom to your modern life, stick around. Before we dive in, let's briefly recap what Stoicism is all about. Founded in ancient Greece, Stoicism is a philosophy that teaches the development of self-control and fortitude as a means to overcome destructive emotions. It's about focusing on what we can control and letting go of what we can't. But how does this ancient wisdom apply to our relationships today? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about conflict. Every relationship faces disagreements and conflicts, but how we handle them can make all the difference. Stoics like Epictetus taught that we should separate what's within our control from what's outside of it. In a heated moment, it's easy to get caught up in trying to control our partner's reactions or the outcome of the argument. Instead, Stoicism encourages us to focus on our own responses. Marcus Aurelius said, "When you are about to complain of your own condition, ask yourself whether you are not being unreasonable." By shifting our focus to how we handle our emotions and communicate more effectively, we can resolve conflicts with greater ease and understanding. Now, let's explore how Stoicism can improve our interactions with friends and family. The Stoic concept of sympathy is about understanding that everyone is part of a greater whole. Aurelius often reflected on our shared humanity and the importance of treating others with kindness and respect. By applying this principle, we can approach our relationships with more empathy. If you notice someone feeling left out or struggling, Stoicism would encourage you to act with compassion and support. This not only strengthens your bonds, but also creates a more inclusive and supportive environment. Let's also talk about receiving and giving feedback. Stoicism teaches us to approach criticism with an open mind. Epictetus advised, "It is not events themselves that disturb people, but their judgments about those events." If you're receiving constructive feedback, rather than feeling defensive, try to view it as an opportunity for growth. Similarly, when giving feedback, Stoicism suggests doing so with kindness and clarity. Ensure your feedback is constructive and aimed at helping the other person improve, rather than just airing grievances. This approach fosters mutual respect and can lead to more positive and productive relationships. Another key aspect of Stoicism is self-reflection. Marcus Aurelius often wrote about the importance of examining one's own thoughts and actions. Before reacting in a relationship, taking a moment to reflect on your own feelings and motivations can help you respond more thoughtfully. By regularly practicing self-reflection, you can better understand your own triggers and emotions, leading to more mindful and considerate interactions with others. This not only helps in resolving issues, but also in maintaining a harmonious and balanced relationship. Lastly, let's touch on gratitude and appreciation. Stoicism isn't just about dealing with difficulties, it also emphasizes the importance of recognizing and appreciating the good in our lives. Aurelius often reflected on the positive aspects of his life and the people around him. By expressing gratitude and appreciating the people in your life, you not only strengthen your relationships, but also cultivate a positive and uplifting atmosphere. Small acts of kindness and acknowledgement can go a long way in making your relationships more fulfilling and resilient. So there you have it, how the timeless wisdom of Stoicism can enhance your relationships. By focusing on what you can control, approaching conflicts with empathy, handling feedback gracefully, practicing self-reflection, and showing appreciation, you can build stronger, more meaningful connections with those around you.